channel D Stylish. My name is Anusha and I'm back with my another new video. So in this video I am going to create this eye look. It's so beautiful, oceanic green eye look, or you can say a blue eye look. I actually use a sort of blue color but it turns into a green, so that's why I'm just naming it like that. So I'm just confused about these two titles and I am going to give one of them. So yeah, here's my look. I hope this is going to be help you. And now without doing further, let's get started. Using the toner from Good Vibes, spraying on my face very nicely and then let it dry. After that I am using this Good Vibe Rose Hip Serum and just massaging on my face. After that I am using this primer from s.f.r color, gently dabbing on my face. Let's conceal our eyelid. I am using this NY Bay concealer in shade yellow and I am just concealing my eyelids and using beauty blender to blend it. Setting my eyelid with this Wet n Wild Mega Glow palette. For sharp edges, for eye makeup, I am applying this tape on my both eyes and using this Miss Gold eyeshadow palette and using this shade for my eye with this buffering brush or a blending brush. This is our first transition shade, just blend it very gently. After that I am using this orange shade and just blending very nicely. Once I am satisfied with the pigmentation, I am just concealing my eyelids with my any favorite concealer. Conceal your eye very slow, it takes time. After that I am setting my conceal eyelid with this Mega Glow Wet n Wild palette. Using this s.f.r the Mermaid palette, has very nice and shimmery blue green shades. Applying very lighter shade on my inner of the eyelids and darker shade on the middle of my eyelids, and at the end I am using this blue. Just wanted to blend it very nicely with this brown shade of this eyeshadow. After blending this properly, I am just peeling off my sellotape and applying liner. I am using this Stay Quirky black liner, making a similar wings on my both eyes. After this I am going to use foundation on my face. I am using Wet n Wild foundation, applying on my neck as well and just blending with the damn beauty blender. Take time for blending, it will provide you a flourish finish. And after that I am concealing my under eye, tip of nose, forehead and of course above my jawline, blending it with the dabbing motion of that damp beauty blender. With this I am applying a contour from NY Bay and just contouring my cheeks, my nose, my forehead and my jawline also. Blending it with this damp beauty blender. Nose contouring I will blend with my finger. After that I will set concealer and contour with this same Wet n Wild Mega Glow palette. Yellow side for my concealer and brown side for my contour. With angular brush and brown eyeshadow I am just filling my brows. I will complete my eye makeup with the lower line with orange color and mascara, and I will just apply blush on my cheeks. So I am using this Savannah palette and this orange shade, just blending it very nicely. Now I am applied this lashes, false lashes, and just using this iconic London highlighter. You have to blend it very fast because it dry up very soon, and also on my inner corner and on my neck bone as well, and blending with the same blender, and it's looking so amazing. Now for my lips I am using this so peach pink color, and yes, I am just opening my hair and my makeover is completed. दिस वीडियो एंड फील हेल्पफुल फॉर यू ऑल गाइज. अगर आपको लगता है तो प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, गिव थम्स अप, लीव कमेंट एंड शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. We will meet on another new video. Till then, stay tuned, take care yourself, and I will meet you soon. Bye.